hell was you jinx? What type of opportunity? Hey y'all, how y'all doing tonight? If you haven't noticed, I'm going out somewhere quite special. Let me try to angle this. Like I have one of those like vanity mirrors where you can like record and charge your phone. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I have my little pigtails going on. I have my little braid snapped back because I'm trying to do my makeup really quick before I go to this event, which y'all already know that I am a PV graduate student. So I'm going to the Southern game tonight. So it's a little get ready with me. I swear the weirdest things be happening. But it's alright. I'm gonna be fine. Literally just broke out the one size spray. Because I want to try it. Because this Texas heat be ruining my makeup. Ruining it. Okay, I think I got it on straight now. All right, and kind of slightly sprayed myself. That's fine. All right, let's start with the one size primer, you guys. So how are y'all doing from the last time we were together? You know, I know I just showed you me going to class. So basically, I have Monday classes at the Northwest Center in town, and here in Houston, and it's on Monday nights. As if, you know, but I don't think you could just pull up because they have to know that you are in a class. They don't just let anybody in the building. So pretty much I'm excited for this game. I got my rodeo shirt on. You see it has little horses, and I really just found this randomly at TJ Maxx. Like, can you believe that? Like TJ Maxx of all places. Make sure to pat it in, especially in the zones. It'd be sweating all up in her. All of her. But I'm excited. It's my first game. I missed the TSU one because I do my little side hustles, and I'll be wanting to make sure that I am getting enough money to, like I say, you have 120 days to get that 300. I'm trying to get my 300, y'all. And basically, I got this from the Houston Rodeo. This is so cool. This is actual cowhide and like the little Western jewelry, which when I was at the rodeo, I actually asked the sales lady, I was like, why is it that I keep seeing this little turquoise blue? Because like my birthstone is turquoise. Like Venus Sagittarius is crazy to like see this. And it goes well with the horses. And then, you know, I like to layer my jewelry. So I got my gold jewelry from Madewell. Love the brand. Let me separate them first. So this is the longer one. Might as well, I'm waiting for my primer to dry down a little bit. Then I have this one. But I will be filming me at the game tonight a little bit. Gotta go see my friend. And so, as I said, to the side, what's next? We have concealer. Got my mascara. This time we will be using the big boy, the big Fenty Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 385. Since I'm prone to oily skin, I like my makeup to be matte. And for the lip, I'm gonna start out with this color. This is from Wet n Wild in the shade Rose and Slay. Like, has anyone tried those famous Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk? Like that nude? I love that nude. And I have obviously a brown gloss to go on top of it. And I actually ran out of my perfume, but I am trying out this Target brand called Cloud Musk. I have a little bit of it left. And basically for the pants, I do have my cowboy boots, which I will show later on. And then I'm wearing just regular jeans. Like, I'm trying to keep it really simple. I'm trying to lay down these edges. Because like I said, this is the Texas heat. I don't know how people do it and then in full makeup. Like, I'm only doing this because I know that this is going to be the night of nights to be out. Who knows? Just trying to saddle me up, cowboy. See how that goes. Oh, yeah. Bless your hearts for really dealing with me. What really like welcoming me back into the YouTube space. Trying to get back to vlogging, weekly vlogs. I tried to do Thursday, but you know, there was a bit of a change of plans. And I hate when that happens. There's always so much going on that makes it hard for me to be a content creator, but I want to be one. You know, we have to make sure that we keep ourselves motivated regardless. And if we can't commit to 2 times a week, I don't mind going back to my once a week on Sundays. Because I use CapCut. And basically when I film my videos, I immediately save them into my CapCut so that I literally just cut, copy, paste, upload to my MacBook, then upload to YouTube. And I'm still learning how to like add music and do all sorts of like really, really cool stuff. But I also need to work on my lighting, which I have lights. I just had not turned it on. Let me turn it on really quick. See if that'll make a difference. That's if it'll stand up. And I got these from Walmart, actually. But okay, now have a little bit more stability. Just randomly, you just see like a whole bunch of lights on me. As I'm trying to get this down pat, make sure it blends. It's always my favorite makeup tip to blend. I don't know what this is, so I'm probably just take it off with my finger. Oh, great. It's not going that well. Oh, there it is. I was wondering. I don't want to put on too much. Like I said, it is hot out here in Texas. And like some of these pimples like here and over here. Guess what I'm gonna try out tonight when I get back? The peach slices for acne spots. I'm gonna see how that works. Supposed to just put it on, clean, dry spot, remove after 8 to 6 hours. Oh, and they have different sizes for, I guess, your pimple. It's pretty cool. Let me change this lighting because I can already tell when I edit this, it's not gonna look that great. It's a good time to let that dry down. All right, so we're done with foundation. I'm gonna move on to concealer, which we're still using this one up. I would love to go back to my Fenty though. And that's the best thing about the brand is that the number of foundation you get is literally the same as your concealer, same number. That's probably one of the best things about this. And I'm gonna quickly do some mascara because I got to run. It's already past 6. The game has started. And I gotta make sure everything turns out good. Make sure I can get parking. Like, I'm not about to fight nobody right now. Like, I got off early enough. Because that's what happened the last time. Like, when I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go to TSU game. Dude, that parking situation, just the traffic, I was like, nope, not doing this. I was like, I'm not that committed. And it's okay. It's all right. It's all right not to be. And I don't have any napkins. All right, let's go ahead and blend out this concealer. Oh, I forgot to put it on my spots. I'm gonna do that really quick as I do my eyeshadow. La 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 la. Woo! Is anybody ready for this accounting exam? No, just me. So yeah, so basically I have an accounting exam coming up. My very first one of the semester. Kind of nervous about it. Like, it has not been easy trying to learn about like the different types of accounting and what matters to managers versus employees, and like how I really like I tell the difference amongst the two. Like, that is going to be such an interesting because like it's all about writing. I'll have to write it all out. I need to get my second. I have a second poll and set up over here so that way you won't just see this slide, which I don't like this. Since I'm about to leave, I'm just go ahead and just take it out. Y'all get to see me fumble with that. Let me get the concealer again and do my dark marks over here, here, and here, which is honestly moles. That's all it is. It's moles, or AKA my freckles as well. Gotta love that. Yo, comment down below, what is your favorite makeup brand? What makeup brand do you like? Also comment down below if you are indeed dating a cowboy. How did you wrestle him up? Like, I haven't been around many because PV is such a small place. But there be so many cute guys on campus. Like, oh my god. I'm sad there's no one cute in my accounting class, but that's the point. We're not there for day. We're here to learn. Learn about income statements, liabilities, and whatnot, and all the fixings. Let me quickly get this, and I'll come back when I'm done. Go do my eyeshadow. All right, what do you think about the eye look? Already dusting off my brush. Let's try this one side for the first time. I feel like I just sprayed myself with an aerosol can. Like, what? This is waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, all day wear. Send this over to honey. Woo. Not used to that. That got some kick to it. But I'm definitely excited. So this is the final look, and I'll see you guys when I get to PV. Do you remember September?
Scooter out to the lead, while 7 yards on the run. It'll be on second down and 3. Berryview. category. Let's send you a piece of love to let us go back. Johnny to Marcus. The showstopper. Pierre. Give it up for opening act. Players, we're ready to have some practice. You already know what time it is. We are back with the baddest band in the land. The true sound of the swag. Purple that gold. If you gotta do it, so when I say PV, you say you know. PV. You know. PV. You know. You may call yourself the city, but the storm is about to raise the bar. We are the people of the dark. The true sound of the swag. We're about to take it back to stick with it. Turn your back around and dance with you, hitting every beat.
Hey y'all, I just wanna say that I made it home from the football game and we did not win. Like, the amount of times we gave Southern the ball was crazy. And then to go into overtime, we literally need either a touchdown or a field goal. But man, I don't know what our defense was doing, but yo, change up the plays. Like, the people behind me, they knew what was going on because they deeply invested in football. I am not. But as y'all can tell, I was trying to get as many shots as I could. And I'm gonna definitely, like, next week I'm going to the state fair, so I'm gonna vlog that entire experience. And I'm excited for next week, and I'm hoping we do good, because I ain't gonna lie to you, that halftime performance, I got to the game just in time for that, and it was amazing. It was amazing, wonderful, loved it. But I'm definitely gonna end this vlog with me going to an art gallery that's on campus. And so I might have mentioned it earlier in the video, but I'm gonna show that part last. This is really short. I think it was like they were still putting some of the pieces up, and it's really cool. If you're on Prairie View's main campus, please check it out. And until next time, I will give you guys more updates on the business and how it's going and everything else. So have a good night.